NonRoadUsr again. Now, my bus pass, which I'm going to show you in a minute, has stopped working, and it's not due to expire for about another 3 years, something like that. Now, I went down to Middlesbrough House yesterday, and but before that I looked online, and it said if you have lost your bus pass, we will replace it for a charge of £15. So I thought to myself, okay, so I haven't lost it, I've still got it, it's still valid, so I'll go and see what they have to say. So I spoke to this woman down there, and she said, can I see your bus pass? I said, yeah, sure. So I pulled it out of my pocket, showed it to her, and she says, yeah, but it's faded. And I said, well, so what? You know, it's like, works on electronic stuff, doesn't it? Isn't it like what they call it, RFID or something like that, where you hold the bus pass over the scanner on the bus, and the scanner picks up the signal from the antenna built into the card, and the little green light should come on the bus scanner and spew a ticket out of the machine. And I don't really understand how the card being faded would affect that process. Plus, let's say that you had a contactless bank card. I mean, I won't have them for security reasons, but let's just say that you did, and the contactless card got faded. I still believe that the contactless bank card would still work, but even if it didn't, the bank would replace it free of charge. So anyway, there's no point in arguing sensible points with the Labour Lefty Loons down at Middlesbrough House. So I paid the £15 and got the receipt, which I'll throw up on the screen in a moment, and they're going to post me out a replacement bus pass. Now, I went home yesterday and I did a bit of digging around online, and I found that there's a council somewhere in Oxfordshire or somewhere like that, and they charge £5 for a replacement bus pass. I also found another council in Warwickshire, which I've got a screen grab up, which I'll throw up as well shortly, and they charge £10 for a replacement bus pass. But interestingly, on their website it says if you've had your bus pass stolen, go to the police and get a crime number, and we will replace your bus pass free of charge. So it seems that it doesn't pay, to be honest. It seems it would have been better for me if I'd have gone to the police and said, somebody's stolen my bus pass, can I have a crime number please? Taken the crime number down to Middlesbrough House and shown it to the Labour Lefty Loons, who then, I would imagine, would have replaced my bus pass for nothing. You know? I believe that I've been issued with a faulty product, which isn't my fault, but I'm £15 late for the experience. Now if I went to, say for example, Tesco and bought, for example, a kettle, and say for example after 9 months the case of the kettle became faded and it had stopped boiling water, and I took it back to Tesco, would they say, oh yeah, it's not boiling water sir because the outside of the kettle's faded? No, they wouldn't. They'd say it's knackered and we're going to replace it because it's still under guarantee. You know, this must be a Labour Lefty Loon thing, I guess. I don't know, I'm not sure. But anyway, catch you later. Bye.